Puffin has been going since the kind of 70s and 80s, where it started off as a kind of quality mark for Pembrokeshire early potatoes. A group of the kind of best early potato farmers in the county got together and put a man on the road assessing quality. If the crop in the field was a good enough standard, it could go into a Puffin bag. The Puffin group, then the Puffin group of farmers that make up our business, changed the type of potatoes they were growing from just early potatoes to main crop potatoes that then get stored so we can supply the supermarkets with the same products 52 weeks of the year. Our largest customer presently is Asda. We do virtually all of their potatoes in their Welsh stores, or a large percentage of them. We've been very lucky with our facilitator, the Cywain I've used, Rob Cywain. He's helped us a great deal. He's helped us develop a marketing plan to get into some of these higher end supermarkets, hence our work with Waitrose and specifically with M&S. Rob helped introduce us to M&S and helped us put together a presentation. So we're working, building on our grow base down here and the story of Puffin, which is a kind of cooperative type model that we've got. So we treat our farmers fairly and got an excellent product, the Pembrokeshire new potatoes, and Rob helped sell that to M&S essentially. We are looking to expand the business continually. We've just had a sizable grant award from the Welsh Assembly Government, 8.3 million of processing and marketing grant, European RDP money. The elements of that are increased efficiency of the equipment in the pack house, more storage, a vegetable packing facility, and also some green technology such as a biodigester that will use our waste potatoes to produce enough electricity to run the site. So we're kind of on the crest of the wave at the moment, really, just kind of monopolising on these opportunities that are coming to us and increasing the size of the business.